Are you ready to make this summer the most memorable yet? Dive into Summer Bucket List 2024, your ultimate guide to a season filled with adventure, relaxation, and joy. This ebook is packed with practical tips, creative ideas, and expert advice to help you craft the perfect summer bucket list. What you'll discover: adventure and travel. Explore hidden gems, top destinations, and travel hacks to make your trip smooth and unforgettable. Outdoor activities. Find the best hiking trails, beach activities, and camping spots with essential safety tips. Indoor and creative projects. Get inspired with DIY projects, reading lists, and creative workshops to keep you entertained all summer. Family and social fun. Create lasting memories with family-friendly outings, parties, and community events. Wellness and self-care. Balance your summer with physical activities, mindfulness practices, and self-care routines. Food and drink adventures. Enjoy delicious summer recipes and explore local food culture with cooking classes and farmers markets. Documenting your summer. Learn how to capture and share your summer experiences through journaling, photography, and social media. Why you need this ebook?